No baby, baby, be sharp from head to toe.
Got completely amazed when I saw this clip on one of our favorite celebrity page today, and I decided to share with you guys. Which of you could imagine Semah can actually do a cover to Nnekata, even though the song is 85% Igbo? But yes, he did it, and just like you could hear from the beginning, he did it. If you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification icon. This is Lion TV. We do mostly flavor content here. We love you guys, so we take you to Semah version or Semah cover of Nnekata here on the channel. He did a very wonderful thing there, and if you listen to it, the Igbo clearly it was fluently enough.
No baby, baby, be sharp from head to toe. Baby, Nnekata, crystal, baby. Today now your day, I know when go be you. Nnekata no did you, baby, more be hot. So different to you, baby, more police. I want to do, not you cook a lumbus you can. Confidence, oh, baby, more, my love. Nnekata no did you, Nnekata no did you, oh, yeah, put down, here, oh, yeah, let's
Just the way you could not believe your ear from what you just heard, the beautiful piece you just heard. That was how I did not also believe my ear, because nobody would ever think that Semah could sing Nnekata so clean and clear with a clean beat, and it was flowing all the same with little mastering and little touching, and it's become a beautiful song again. It was completely an amazing cover, and it shows the God-given talent in this young soul. We all pray one day to gain his sight and see the world, the beautiful world where he lives in, the beautiful world where he has been using his power of creativity to touch lives, to bless people, and to heal people's soul. That is what we pray for him each day and night. So guys, this is more of like a throwback, and it's dedicated to Semah specifically. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video.